Good morning. This is Miss V again. Ooh, I know I'm not the only one who loves Makhumalo, Mr. Mseleku's dead wife. Oh, she went for microblading. Let us just watch the video. Isn't she lovely? Ooh, I might also consider doing one. She's just too beautiful for words. Just take a look at this.
I'm good.
You're good. Okay, so you came all the way from KZN.
All the way from KZN, and not just KZN, south coast of KZN. So, if you know KZN, you'll know what I'm talking about.
Guys, this is my K. So my K came to do her ombre brows today. Ready to see what they look like?
Am I ready? Am I not? I think I am.
You think you are? Okay.
I've been longing for this, guys.
I hope you will love this, my K. Let's see. Let's see.
Did I do the good thing? Did I not? My God, what is going on? No! Wow.
What's that?
Oh my God. This is scary, man. Guys, Yazin, I'm tempted to say Mara.
Mara. Akiri.
Just done my ombre brows.
Look at that. Your new ombre brows.
I can't
So
believe
gorgeous.
this. I think it's important that I share that I've been so scared to do my brows until I saw your work.
Wow.
It's the honest truth.
Wow.
So many people has been have been trying to convince me to do my brows, and I'm like, no, I prefer to do my own brows, since it any and everything. But I think this was one of the best decision.
Oh my. Oh my gosh.
Guys, I'm just gonna wake up like this every day.
You're gonna wake up like this. Your new smudge-free brows.
Oh my God.
Look at that. You look so